I like to get investment advice from the pros, and that's what we do on this show. We offer investment professionals who tell you what they're buying and why. So come on in. Our next guest has 3 suggestions: Wynn Resorts, Facebook, Amazon. Gregg Smith is the man on the right-hand side of your screen. Let's start with Wynn Resorts, the Vegas people. Why do you like them?
Yeah, good morning, Stuart. Well, I never thought I'd see a day where the traditional handshake would disappear from the vernacular of American culture. But, you know, as Americans, we have the luxury of living on the greatest country on the face of this earth. We're scrappy, we're resilient, and we have grit. And I'm betting on the American dream, which I think we all share. I think at this point in time, Americans are frustrated. They're ready to get back, return to work, and get out and have some fun. I think Wynn at these prices would be a beneficiary of a return to some leisure travel. And I like it at these prices. It's declined from the 150 level, and I think it's attractive. And
Wait a minute, what did you say, Greg? Wynn Resorts is $86 a share right now. Where do you think it's going?
Look, I think that stocks are trading on what's going to happen in the future. I'm a believer that we're going to be better next year than we are today. I could see 30 or 40% upside in Wynn over the next year. Okay. So I think, to me, that's very attractive.
Now, Facebook, they've had a terrific run. This morning, they're at 227. Why do you like them, and where's it going?
Look, I think we have to look and accept what's going on. I have many friends that work at Fortune 500 companies that have already been told that they're going to be working from home for the next year. So there's going to be a lot of change coming in how we behave as Americans. So if people are sitting at home, I think you look at companies like Amazon, you look at Facebook, they're going to be the beneficiaries of perhaps lower productivity of workers that might be at home, who might be shopping and spending more time online. Facebook is a great conduit for companies that are going to be marketing their products and services to people that might be spending more time in front of a computer. Yes, both Facebook and Amazon hit new highs in the last week. I think they'd be great to add to on a pullback.
So Facebook could go to what, 240, do you think? It's now 226?
Well, it traded 240 yesterday. I think we're going to continue to see Facebook and Amazon hit new highs, I think, over the summer, I think.
So Amazon goes back above $2,500 a share?
I think that's right. Look, people are going to change their behavior. It's going to be much more challenging to shop in retail stores, even when they open. And I think people just like the convenience. And Amazon's going to continue to eat the world in all the different areas they move into.
All right,
so
Greg,
I think that's an easy theme.
Gregg Smith, sorry to cut you off there, but we will follow these 3 stocks. Wynn, Facebook, Amazon. Let's see where they go. He likes them. Let's see if it works. Thanks, Greg.